Hello everyone, Dana here from Dana's Electrical Services, and in today's video I have a Jortan camera that I'm going to add to the iCSee app, and I am going to show you how to do that. Right? So the first thing you want to ensure, well, before you do all of that, you want to ensure that your camera is connected to power. So just for simulation purposes, I professionally install cameras, so normally my installations would be looking great, but just for demonstration purposes, I'm just going to plug this in. Well, I'm not going to plug it in as yet because once I plug it in, it's going to start making a lot of noise. Anyways, so back to where we were. One of the first thing you want to ensure is that this is the specific app that your camera work with, because these cameras, they work with different apps, right? So you're gonna check your manual like mine that I have here, and you see it says download app, and you have a QR code right here that you can scan to find the app easily, right? Just scan it and it will take you to the app store, right, to download the app. Or you can go to the app store and type in iCSee. So it's common I, capital C, those are the letters, right? So the letter I, the letter C, and SEE. So that's iCSee, right? So when you download the app, then you're going to follow the instruction and create an account. So once your account is created and you're logged in, then you'll see this page right here if you don't have any camera already added. So let me go ahead and add power to my camera. I'm going to hold it like this, because as soon as there's power, it's going to do a little scan. Yeah.
System starting up. 系统启动中。Wait to be configured. 开始快速配置。Waiting for connection. Please configure the network according to the instruction.
So it says wait.
等待连接，请根据说明书进行网络配置。
It says waiting to be configured. So now it's ready for me to add it, right? So I'm going to go to my app and I'm going to click add, right?
Waiting for connection. Please configure the network according to the instruction.
If your Bluetooth
等
is
待连接，请根据说明书进
oh
行
my
网
god, this is
络配
making a
置。
lot of noise. If your Bluetooth is not on, I'll recommend you turn your Bluetooth on and also your location, right? These will help you better find the device. Let me close this. Not gonna add it via Bluetooth, so let me close this. The best way to add it is to scan the QR
Waiting
code.
for connection. Please configure the network according to the instruction.
So you're gonna go ahead and select
等待连接，请根据说明
Oh my
书
god.
进行网络配置。
So you're gonna go ahead and select Wi-Fi camera, because this is a Wi-Fi camera, right? It says follow the description of how to power on the camera in a manual to ensure that the camera can be normally turned on, right? So you're gonna go ahead and select next.
Waiting for connection. Please configure the network according to the
It
instruction.
says if you hear start quick configure or waiting for connection from device, click
请根
next.
据说明
And
书
we
进
hear
行
that,
网
so
络配置。
we're gonna click next. So now the phone is talking. It says to enter the wireless router password. So remember, this is a Wi-Fi camera, so it works with your Wi-Fi. So we're gonna go ahead and put in our Wi-Fi password.
等待连接，请根据说明书进行网络配置。 Waiting for connection. Please configure the network according
So I
to the
put in my
instruction.
Wi-Fi password. So I'm gonna
等待
click.
连接，请根据说
Let
明
me
书
check and
进行
confirm that
网
it
络
is
配置。
correct. Okay, this seems correct. So I'm going to go ahead and click OK. It says waiting.
Waiting for connection. Please configure the network according
And
to the
this keeps
instructions.
coming up, but we don't want to add it like this, so let me
等待
close
连
that.
接，
Network
请
is
根据说明
connected.
书进行
Please
网
wait a
络配
moment.
置。
So
Connecting.
you're gonna get this
Please
QR
wait.
code, right? So when you get this QR code, you're gonna put it in front of the camera lens and let the camera scan this QR code from your phone, right?
Connect to
So
router
this QR code on your
successfully.
phone,
连接路由器成功。
well, for some reason it's actually added already, but not sure why that happened. Not sure why that happened, but normally you would have to put the QR code in front of the lens and it will scan it and then it will be added. So it also tells you that there is no SD card because I didn't enter SD card. So and it says you can change the name of your device here. So you can change it to YouTube, right? I'm gonna select completed, and you get the next warning sign says your device is not inserted with a memory card, local recording failed. You can subscribe to cloud storage. So let me select OK. Right, so this is the device YouTube. Let me turn it to the wall because I don't want to expose too much. Turn it to the wall. Go on it, and this is our camera, right? This is our camera. I'm turning it. Right. And it has a pretty good night vision. So if I should turn this light off, so that's night vision, right? That's night vision. Let me turn on full light. When I turn on full light, there I have it. So the camera is now added, guys. So the camera is now added. This is the live view, right? And that is how you add a Jortan camera to the iCSee app. I might do another video on how to use the app. Not sure, or I'm not promising that, but I mean, if you guys need to see a video like that, you can comment down below. Let me know that you need to see a video on how to use the iCSee app. I'll show you the things like how to replay recording, how to set the motion tracking, and how to turn on lights, and how to set the different settings on your camera. So comment down below, let me know if you guys need to see that. If you guys need it, then I will make a video on how to do that. So this was another video brought to you by Daniel's Electrical Services. For more videos like these, please feel free to subscribe to my channel at Daniel's Electrical Services. Thank you.